Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be planning for May 27th through June 2nd, and I'm going to be using this really old planner cake kit. I'm not even entirely sure what it's called, but this is the old format, so last year 2018's format with the headers and the checklists and then the labels on the side, and then I also got the full box half box sheet as well. So before we get started, I just want to show you last week's spread. Oh, that's my monthly. This is last week's spread. I did not write in it at all. It was a really busy week and things just are crazy at work, and I just had no time. No time at all to work in my planner. So and then this is how I've been using my notes pages lately, and I think I'm gonna change this for June. I was watching Paper and Glam. I'm not entirely sure what her first name is, but yes, she does like a memory keeping spread on this notes page, and I really like that idea. So I think I'm going to end up changing this for the month of June. And because they're all Planner Cute stickers, they'll come up very easily. So I will probably do like more of an outline, and I might film it. I don't know. That'd be a good idea though. So then this is my June monthly spread, which is also Planner Kate, and I will link that in a card and throw it up, or link that in the description, and I'll throw it up in a card. So this plan with me might be super short because my son has had a very difficult time sleeping the last couple of nights. If anyone has any sort of advice or anything, I'm willing to take it. He is tired. I can tell that he's tired, but he doesn't want to fall asleep. It's really strange, and I don't know if it's his teeth hurting him, because I can see that he is working on both of his bottom middle teeth, and so I don't know if and we've been giving him like acetaminophen, so it's not like he's in a lot of pain, and we've been encouraging him to essentially chew like a little puppy. It's almost kind of what it is. He has just been drooling full, and I don't know. I honestly have no idea. So if you guys know of any tips or tricks for teething, I am all ears, because I got nothing. Okay, so I think with the fact that I've got these headers, I'm going to go back with like how I was planning. Oh, that's sticky. I think I'm gonna plan like how I planned like here, where it's the to-do lists up on top, the full boxes in the middle, and then like the fun or the events excuse me, and the events on the bottom. So I'm gonna take my headers and start laying them down. I'm going to cut this out after I lay down these first three, only because I find this part of my plan with these very boring when I watch them back. I can't imagine me jibber jabbering for 20 minutes trying to fit down these headers, because I have not used headers in so long is even remotely entertaining. So I will cut it out, and I will see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I laid down my headers and my full boxes, and I'm glad I didn't film any of that because I was very indecisive about my full boxes as per usual. So here is what that looks like. So, okay, on Monday, I'm going to put down a long to-do list. And then a half box because it's Memorial Day. Okay. And then we are planning on having dinner with my husband's family. So I'm going to throw that in. Throw that in a quarter box. Okay. So that's it for Monday. Tuesday, this Plan With Me is going to go live. So I'm going to throw in another long to-do list to go back to work. Oh, that to-do list is super crooked. There, that's better. Okay, so in my to-do, I'm gonna do Instagram. Actually, and then over here, I'm gonna do thumbnail, upload, video, and description. Okay. Instagram, and then I'm gonna PK Facebook group. Okay. And then my husband is going to go fishing with his father and brother-in-law. So I'm gonna write that on an appointment label. And they're gonna leave early. And then I have to pick up my son from daycare. Okay. Let's see, on Wednesday, Planner Kate is having her August releases. So I'm gonna throw that in small appointment label. I'm gonna do a star. So I'm gonna do PK releases. And then I'm also going to put in my to-do film, shop with me, edit, shop with me, and we'll do upload. Shop with me. And then we're also gonna have dinner at my in-laws' house again on Wednesday. And actually, I'm gonna grab my leftovers binder, and I'm gonna find another spoon and fork icon. We got so many of these. This one. So I just pulled kind of a pinky one, and I'm just gonna throw it on a black label, and you won't even notice that it's kind of not the right color. Dinner, G and P's. Okay, so that is Wednesday. Thursday, the shop with me hopefully will go live. So I'm gonna throw in another big to-do list. So I'm gonna do thumbnail, description, PK, Facebook group, Instagram, and that is it for Thursday. Friday, I got nothing. I'm gonna throw in a long to-do list again, just in case. And then Saturday and Sunday I'm gonna do short to-do lists. This will be the last weekend that my husband is here, because he's got some training coming up and he'll be gone. Got my weekend banner down. Let's see. Trash night. I want to find something to cover this flag with. I think I'm gonna have to figure that part out later, because I don't have my scissors with me and I don't want to go get them. So I'm going to put down our trash icon. I have this feeling that we'll come back next week and this flag will still be green, and that's fine. I'm gonna put laundry on this day, and then I'm going to put grocery shopping on Friday. And then Saturday we might go to the farmer's market. I'm not sure what's going on. So, oh, and then I do want to mark on Saturday that it's my 8-year anniversary with my husband. We'll have been dating for 8 years. It's kind of crazy. Time flies when you're having fun. So, okay. I think this is gonna be it for the plan with me. I'm actually gonna do my sidebar quick. I put this peachy label down. I'm gonna do a to-do list. Good enough. Let's see, what did I have last week that didn't get done? School loan. Transfer stickers. Vacation. Dentist. And derm. Okay. So that is it for this week's Plan With Me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye.